Sometimes you may drink a little bit too much coffee or enjoy too much curry that your teeth will end up looking like this. So today, in Sammy's studio with Pixelmator Pro, you'll learn how to make your pearly whites actually white in 3 minutes. Let's get right into it. First of all, I want to show you my favorite workspace layout in Pixelmator Pro. In the default layout, your image doesn't get as much horizontal space as it could. That's why I switched to a different layout to maximize the screen space. Just go to Window, Workspace Layout, Photography. This moves the toolbar to the top of the screen, giving you more room to view your image across the width. Okay, so right now I have this selfie picture of us here. At the layer panel, you duplicate the layer by pressing Command J or Control-click Duplicate, so you can be able to compare the before and after. I may have enjoyed the food too much, so I left some in my teeth. Now, how to fix this? I would like to zoom in for a better look at this. Press Z for zoom. And remember to turn on the scrubby zoom to be able to drag the zoom lens more easily. Once you have the best look of the piece, press R for repair or choose this icon in your toolbar. This will turn your cursor into the circle, and this is your brush, alright? You can change the brush size by adjusting this bar over here. Then, paint over the area that you want to erase. Boom, gone. The next thing I want to teach you is the best way to whiten your teeth without losing the natural shine of them. Normally, people will just paint white color on top of the teeth area. It's still kind of erasing the natural shine or even making it too white. It turns unnatural. I have a better way. Go to Insert, Color Adjustment, or Shift Command A to create a color adjustment layer. This will help you manipulate the color of the photo without messing it up, and in case you want to come back and change it, it will give you the option. Alright, based on the teeth condition and I want to give the teeth the best shade, in this basic panel, I'll increase the highlight to 25%, brightness to 15%, and decrease the contrast to -10%. It's still pretty yellow even though it's brighter already. We'll scroll down to the selective color section. Pick yellow and decrease the saturation bar until it matches your eye. For me, it's around -89%. At this point, your teeth look great, but it kinda affects everything in the picture. That's why we'll need to add a mask to it. This action allows you to hide or reveal parts of the layer without deleting pixels. With the masking layer, black indicates hidden parts and white indicates revealed parts. So right now, as you see here, our mask is white, means everything is revealed. We need to hide the layer totally. Go to the mask icon, Control-click, Invert Mask, or Command Delete. Now it's all hidden. We'll choose the parts to be revealed by pressing B to bring out the brush tool. Make sure your brush is in white color by checking this icon. Just like I said, white means reveal and black means hidden. Choose your brush size and make sure the opacity is 100%. Then start painting on the area you want it to be revealed. In this case, right now is our teeth. So I'll go one by one. You can zoom in and out just to see the details better. Okay, I'll do the same for my boyfriend right here. Okay, so right now you can drag the original layer to the top so you can turn on and off by clicking this icon right here to compare the result before and after. And you're done. If this video helps you out, help me out by hitting the like button and subscribe to learn more about photo editing in Pixelmator Pro. Enjoy your day!